Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Bear. Notion serves as an all-in-one workspace, perfect for managing notes, tasks, wikis, and complex databases. Bear, on the other hand, is a streamlined writing application designed for focused note-taking, prose, and code snippets. We'll explore their fundamental differences in design and functionality to help you decide which tool best fits your needs. Understanding their core purposes is key to making an informed choice. Let's dive into their key features. Notion boasts powerful database capabilities, allowing for custom templates and extensive collaboration across teams. Bear shines with its robust Markdown support, intuitive tagging system for organization, and lightning-fast note capture. Consider how each integrates with your existing tools and their availability across different platforms, as this can significantly impact your workflow and productivity. Regarding user experience, Notion offers a highly customizable, block-based interface, giving you immense flexibility to build your ideal workspace. Conversely, Bear provides a minimalist, distraction-free writing environment, prioritizing clarity and focus. We'll evaluate the learning curve for each application and their overall aesthetic appeal, helping you determine which design philosophy aligns better with your personal or professional preferences. When it comes to cost, Notion offers a generous free personal plan, with paid tiers starting around $8 per month for more advanced features. Bear also has a free version, with premium features available for approximately $1.50 per month or $15 annually. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your specific workflow and budget, whether you need a comprehensive team solution or a dedicated writing companion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.